Hi and hello guys. This video is a demonstration of Picovoice Porcupine integration with Google Assistant. So if you are not familiar with the GassistPi project, I will leave the project link in the description of this video. You may please check that out. Okay. So if you're not aware, Snowboy is towards the end of its lifetime, and the developers of Snowboy are pulling the plugs on it. And I had to make a quick jump and a change. So I have integrated Picovoice, Porcupine, Wakeword engine with the GSSPi or the Google Assistant. Okay.
Hi,
Porcupine, what is the time now?
it's 10:33 p.m.
Porcupine, how are you today?
I'm great. What can I do for you?
Nothing much. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. Say if you head into the project directory and then into the SRC folder, you should have a folder called resources. And before that, in the SRC folder, you can find a file called the config.yaml file. So this is where you need to make a change. So over here, so you have a choice of using either the Picovoice Wakeword engine or the Snowboy Wakeword engine. So you can make your choice against this option which says Wakeword engine. If you set this to Snowboy, you'll be using the Snowboy Wakeword engine, and if you set it to Picovoice, you'll be making use of the Picovoice Wakeword engine. So just like how I have listed the voice models for Snowboy, you can list the voice models for your Picovoice or the Porcupine Wakeword engine. Okay, so these voice models can be found within the resources folder. So I have got a separate directory for the Picovoice models and a separate directory for the Snowboy models. Choose your model and make the changes in the configuration file accordingly. Okay, so that is it. I just wanted to make a quick video on this new update to the GSSPi project. So I really hope that you find this useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.